Okay, we are here at Old Key West Resort, room 2131, which is on the third floor, and we are going to give you a tour of the two-bedroom villa. It is very spacious. My lovely daughter Brooklyn is going to showcase everything for us today, so let's go.
All right, are we starting here?
Sure. Right off to your right, as you enter, you have a little closet here with a fire extinguisher, a high chair, and sweeper. Okay. And a lovely mirror here.
That way or that way?
Let's go to the right. So off to the right, we have the two full beds. It looks like two full beds. Bedroom. And very nice. I got all the lights turned on so you can see. You got a little table and chairs over here. And what do we got around here? We got a little TV with a dresser. Closet over here. Plenty of space. Lovely. Okay, and then around the corner this way, you have another closet. Wow. Oh, we forgot to turn the light on. And we have the little sink here with some towels and stuff. Cool. And the bathroom. Just pretty spacious. Nice bathtub. Shower. All right. So that is the one bedroom. And we'll go into the living area here. This is very large. You have a full kitchen here with a sink and a dishwasher and plenty of counter space with a center console. Ooh, what's this?
There's a TV in there.
Oh yeah, that's where the TV is. It's hidden in the doors. Got a stove, a microwave, refrigerator and freezer, plenty of cupboard space here in the kitchen. In the dining area here, you have it's like a 4-person table with more cabinets and cupboard space. And then in the living area over here, you have a couch and a love seat, table, coffee table.
This couch pulls out into a bed.
That's right, so it can sleep
so
a couple.
Does this chair.
Chair pulls out too? Cool. And we'll be using all that because we're actually sleeping 8 in here for our stay of 6 nights. All right, let's go outside. Another table of chairs out here with a very, very lovely view of the grounds. Bunch of ducks over there feeding in the grass. Whoa. Yes, we are on the 3rd floor. You can see everybody else's balconies over there. There's like a pond way over there. Let's go check out the other side. It's very hot and humid. Ooh, very pretty flowering trees. And way up there you got a fountain off in the distance and some other buildings. Very cool. And then this door actually opens up into the master bedroom, which is a king-size bed and a little chair over there. Plenty of lighting and a ceiling fan. Another TV that's hidden away in the cupboards. And then we have over here, we have the bathroom that's attached to the master bedroom, which has a jacuzzi. Woohoo! Which is very spacious. And it's another sink and mirror, cabin space, and a large bathroom in here. Ooh, look at the shower. That's cool. I like that. And large area in here. And that's pretty much it. That's the 2-bedroom villa here at the Old Key West Resorts. 2018.
Have
Did I forget something?
a washer and dryer.
Oh yeah, a laundry facilities. I forgot about that. Good thinking. Washer and dryer here, which we will probably use because we're going to be here for 6
And a
nights.
flat iron table. Iron.
What's in there? Secret. Locked. We don't know what's in there. And then we come back around to the entrance. Out to here. And we got our stuff outside the door here. And that's it. So as you can see, we're on the 3rd floor. Woohoo! Hello down there, people! The rest of our family is gathering up their stuff. Yep. All right, thank you for helping me out there.